Good morning students. As we have studied our first chapter, that is number system. Previously we have studied about there are four kind of number system: decimal number system, binary, octal and hexadecimal number system. Binary decimal number system is having 10 digits 0 to 9 and its base is 10. Binary number system consists of 2 digits 0 and 1, its base is 2. Octal number system consists of 8 digits, its base is 8, and hexadecimal number system consists of 16 digits 0 to 15, where 0 to 9 remains same, but 10 should be right like this: A, 11 should be B, 12 should be C, 13 should be D, 14 should be E and 15 should be F. So in decimal number system we have studied about that every number system works on the basis of positional value system. So for example, in decimal number system there is 45, as we studied this in mathematics also, because in mathematics we are using our decimal number system. So we can write 45 like 45 in bracket, base is 10, so we can write here 10 also. Similarly, but can you say that this 45 belongs to binary number system? This is right. No, this is wrong, because binary number system consists of 2 digits only, 0 and 1. So this is not a binary number system number. Similarly, 45 can belongs to octal number system because it consists 0 to 7 digits, but this is not 45 in octal number system. This is the another value of some different number. Similarly, 45 can be right in hexadecimal number system also, because it also consists 0 to 9 digit and A to F digit. As I told, 10 to 15 can be right like A to F. So it is not 45 in hexadecimal, but we can write that this is another number in hexadecimal number system. Now we'll do the next topic, that is conversion of decimal number to binary number system. So we should know that decimal number 0, that is similar in binary number, that is 0. But decimal 1, that is also similar in binary 1, because binary number consists of 2 digits 0 and 1 and rest numbers becomes in the form of 0 and 1 only. So 2 becomes 1 0, 3 becomes 1 1, 4 becomes 1 0 0, 5 becomes 1 0 1, 6 becomes 1 1 1 1 1 0, 7 becomes 1 1 1 and so on. How I can calculate this? We'll do this now. So 2 in decimal number. So what is the value? That is in binary number. So we have to divide, or we have to take the LCM by 2 only, because binary number system base is 2. So we have to divide it by 2. Till this we have to divide like this: 2 ones are 2. We have to write the remainder in right hand side. What will be the remainder? That is 0. Again divide by 2. We have to divide it till the quotient becomes 0. 2 can't divide 1. So the quotient is 0 and the remainder is 1. So next is how to write these digits. From bottom to top we have to write the remainder value. First this value 1 and then this value 0. So this becomes 1 0 in binary number. So this is the value of 2. This is not called 10. This is called 1 0 in a binary number. This is 2. Right? Similarly for 3 also we can divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2. Remainder becomes 1. Again divided by 2. 2 can't divide 1, so the quotient is 0 and the remainder again comes 1, and from bottom to top we have to write the remainder value 1 and 1, so this becomes 3 in binary number. So I am taking next number, that is 25 in decimal number. So what is the value of this in binary number? Divide the 25 by 2, or we can take the LCM like this: 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, remainder becomes 1. Again divide by 2, 2 6 are 12, remainder becomes 0. Again divide by 2, 2 3s are 6, remainder becomes 0. Again divide by 2, 2 ones are 2, remainder becomes 1. Again divide by 2, 1 can't divide 2, so it becomes 0 and remainder becomes 1. So we have to write the again remainders from bottom to top only. That's why I am placing this arrow. You also can place this arrow in your notebooks also. 1 1 0 0 and 1. 1 1 0 0 and 1. This is our 25 in binary number system.